Hello everybody, welcome to Short Snippets. Today we'll study BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Corporations. So, Permanent Secretariat at Dhaka comprises with the 7 countries: Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand and Myanmar. This initiative basically started on 6th June 1997. Initially it was BISTEC, Bangkok Declaration के अंदर जब ये पहली बार साइन हुआ था तो इनिशियली इट वाज बांग्लादेश, इंडिया, श्रीलंका एंड थाईलैंड इकोनॉमिक कॉपरेशन. लेटर M was added and it comprises with 7 members, and that is the admission of Myanmar in 1997. Later Bhutan and Nepal were also added in 2004. This initiative, the different roles adopted by the countries are: Bangladesh had the trade, investment and development. Bhutan holds the environment and climate change. India holds the security, counter-terrorism and transnational crime in the region. Myanmar holds the agriculture and food security. Nepal, people-to-people contact, culture, tourism and poverty alleviation and people-to-people contact in the region. Sri Lanka with science and technology innovation. Thailand deals with the connectivity. Significance of BIMSTEC. First, regional cooperation. BIMSTEC holds a very important, because South Asia and Southeast Asia connectivity is very much important, and BIMSTEC plays a bridging gap between two regions. As the name suggests, it in itself it is an economic cooperation and it's a economic growth which helps in the trade, investment and economic cooperation in the region. Connectivity is also the important factor that helps in transport link, energy corporation. Counter-terrorism and security is one of the most important factor as we think of the geographical location. Present we the northeast connection with the Myanmar and the areas of the Thailands. It is very much important. Disaster management, where various hills, region and climatic activities were also there. Because of that disaster management is also promotes in the cooperation. Culture exchange, diplomatic engagements, geopolitical significance is also important. With the different diplomatic engagement occurs in with the dialogues, conflicts and conflict resolutions were promotes. Why BIMSTEC free trade agreement is more promising than SAARC free trade agreement? This is because of the 5 reasons. Geographical scope, because the BIMSTEC area's connection more with the South Asia to the Southeast Asia in a more convenient way, and plus the more amount of trade and surplus activities occur in the area. And maritime security is one of the factor. Economic diversity, infrastructure and connectivity and political challenges were also there. That is why India also is supporting the BIMSTEC free trade agreement over SAARC free trade agreement. As I told you, SAARC focus only on South Asian countries, and it is very limited to the growth and regional tensions. Plus, BIMSTEC had a very large geographical area, diverse economic opportunities, and they all building the infrastructure, technology, manufacturing and services in the region with the cooperation among the members. So, as I told you earlier, relevance for India is broader regional engagement, economic opportunities, reduced political obstacles. To counterbalance China is one of the most important factor for India, and maritime security. So this is all about BIMSTEC. You are listening Ankit Parmar. Thank you so much.